Please don't be a Hindu. Please don't be a Hindu. Please don't. I mean, the doctor's office sitting around like, please don't be a Hindu. Please don't somebody motherfucker. Then oh fuck, it's a Hindu. Door up. Oh shit, it's a fucking Hindu. I smelt that nigga, bro. I knew it. I knew it. What'd you have for lunch? I didn't eat lunch yet. Motherfucker, I'd hate to see him after lunch. God damn! Niggas thinking already. Am I at a Subway or at a doctor office? What the fuck, bro? Niggas smelling like curry, onions, and motherfucking peppers and shit. Niggas got peppers, I swear to God. I was at a Paki or a Hindu house or some shit. Them niggas said, oh, we have you for dinner. I'm like, oh, well, I'm open-minded. I don't give a fuck. But, you know, the whole, like, the motherfucking house all day. Since I walked in till I left, the niggas smelled like they was cooking. Okay, the house always, okay. As a matter of fact, when I was doing construction, a Hindu asked me to come by and do some work. I said, what you want done? He says, well, I tell my wife I don't want her to cook in the house. So I want you to put a ventilation fan to blow my shit outside. Oh shit, a motherfucking Hindu with a brain. Oh damn, he understands. He must be American grown Hindu and shit, you know what I'm saying? Now I want to talk about these motherfuckers. They the only